It's all started with the spark of curiosity and a drive to make difference in the entrepreneurship and business world. Conversation with clients often highlighted the importance of a solid business education to making informed decisions. In strategic consulting and startup advisory, combining hands-on experiences with formal education is crucial. My bachelor's in commerce with a focus on Islamic finances provided a foundation, and I gained more expertise through hands-on experiences and street-smart knowledge. But I recognize the importance of an MBA. The absence of an MBA made me feel hindered my ability to make a significant confidence to my client. And seeking a program aligned with my values and aspirations led me Augment MBA, which resonated profoundly with me. A strong business education is vital for building trust, and it instills hope in clients. It equips consultants with necessary knowledge and skills to navigate challenges effectively and provide valuable insights, ultimately making a meaningful difference in the business world. I'm Shabeeh, a strategy business consultant with a passion for exploring new horizons. My journey into the world of strategic business and management consulting has been nothing short of exhilarating. Over the years, I had the privilege of managing more than 60 plus projects across Middle East, Africa, Europe, and India in diverse industries. Each project have been a journey of discovery filled with its own set of challenges and drive. Navigating diverse projects, I learned to stay focused under pressure. In 2019, I assisted an edtech startup from its early stages and laying the ground foundation for its growth. Today, it boasts over 25,000 plus students and across the globe. Basically, it's about learning and growing within the industry, understanding the nuances and serving clients at the best. Witnessing the success of client fuels my passion on strategic consulting, and it inspires me to continuously push boundaries. Entering Augment Business School is one of the best decisions I took. The exposure of global well-known industry pioneers, insights, and offering a real-world perspective on strategy, leadership, marketing, entrepreneurship, innovation, and more are worth it for me to serve my clients to the next extent. Augment Business School's MBA program has personally helped me to navigate and develop strategies in a more executional manner. Recently, I started to receive more great responses from my clients as well. The Augment model stood out to me because of its emphasis on practical application and real-world insights. Unlike other programs I explored, Augment provided a unique blend and hands-on experiences, and allowing me to immediately apply what I learned in my consulting projects. Embrace challenges as opportunity to learn and stay true to your vision. Your journey have its own ups and downs, but remember, it's all part of the adventure.